Jai Srimanarayana. 8th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sariram yadavapnoti yacchapi utkramati Isvaraha गृहीत्वा एतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धा निवासयात् ॐ Realize that the senses of perception of your subtle body, like your eye, your ear, your touch, your tongue, your mind, this entire set is not a new item to this birth, but you have been carrying this set of item ever since you got into the cycle of birth and death. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that all the senses of perception of my subtle body is there with me ever since I got into this cycle of birth and death. My aim is to get rid of this cycle of birth and death. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 296th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kaliya's wives praying Sri Krishna Paramatma like this: "Oh Deva, how fortunate this Kaliya is, because Tava Angrirenu Sparsha Adhikaraha." He got an opportunity to touch the dust of your divine feet. That is such a greatest fortune this Kaliya has got. We don't understand how this Kaliya has got this kind of greatest divine fortune. Because yadvanchaya shrihi lalana acharat tapo vihaya kaman suchiram dhrutavrataha. బహుకాలంబు తపంబు చేసి వ్రతముల్ పాటించి కామించి నీ మహనీయ ఉజ్వల పాదరేణుకణ సంస్పర్శ అధికారంబు శ్రీ మహిళారత్నము తొల్లి కాంచన్. Because in the past Lakshmi Devi, she has done greatest amount of tapasya and she did so many vratas. Only then she got enough fortune to touch one spark, one grain of the dust from your divine feet. Then here if we see this Sarparaju Kaliya, without doing any tapasya, he got an opportunity to be touched by both your feet. And this is such a greatest fortune. Oh Krishna, nannaka prushtam na cha sarvabhaumam na parameshtyam na rasadhipatyam. Those who got an opportunity to touch the divine feet, touch the dust of your divine feet, they would not crave for any more other things. They would not want the Svargadhipatyam. They would not want to become any emperor. They would not want the state of Brahmapadam. They would not want any kind of supremacy over this entire Bhumandalam. Not only that, na yoga siddhihi apunarbhavam va vanchanti yat padarajah prapannaha. Oh Krishna, once anyone gets to touch the divine feet or touch the dust of your divine feet, they would not want any yoga siddhi. They would not even seek or want moksham also. Like that, the wives of Sarparaju Kaliya, they are all praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 15th chapter 8th sloka. Shariram yadavapnoti yacchapi utkramati svaraha gruhitva yetani samyati vayurgandhani vasayat. Shariram yadavapnoti yacchapi utkramati svaraha गृहीत्वा एतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वासयात्। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।